we will be solving the finding the point of the loop, starting point of the loop. Okay, so we will be using Geeks for Geeks. Who is this uncle? What does this question state? It's an easy question. Let's keep and chill mindset and conquer it as fast as possible. So how we will begin? Let me check if I am live. Yes, I am live. Okay. Given a linked list of n nodes, find the first node of the loop if the linked list has a loop. If loop is present, return the node data of the first node of loop, else return -1. So loop starts over here, so output is 3. Quite simple. They are expected O of n, O of one-time complexity. These constraints are today of our no use. Your task to complete function. Okay, फंक्शन शुड रिटर्न, ये तो हमको पता है कि -1 या फिर वैल्यू वैल्यू चाहिए उन लोग को. Guys, sorry for the disturbance. um how we will start? Let's just directly jump into our notes, pen and paper. Why is my page not being visible? Has the link changed or what? V5s, it's the same. It's loading. Okay, sorry guys. I didn't check this earlier. So let's first think of the brute force approach. What the brute force approach might look like. The first thing that comes in my mind is to store all the elements into one data structure and keep on comparing it. Hmm, should we use array list or a hash map? I mean, we can use a hash set. Yes, I feel you should use hash set because we don't require what we say mapping of any such. And if we use array list, why is it not loading till now? Am I connected to Wi-Fi? Yes, I am. Okay, it's started. So we will be using headset. My mic was on. Yes. So our brute force approach. Let me draw one diagram. Which one should I draw? One, three, two, four, five. I mean, the length of the diagram would not show our test cases, or unique test cases, or difficulty in implementation because the question is quite simple and straightforward. So let's jump into the workforce. Our thinking is uh, after one iteration means not after, during one iteration, store all nodes onto a set. if there is second, what do we say? Second what? If there is second time, mm, what we say to me? If there is second time retrieval, no, second visit, return data. Mm, yes, so quite simple. So how we will loop? Uh, loop until zero, until null. So if there is not cycle, it will end looping and return what? -1. Yes, it is. Just the case. So let me draw a small hash map, linked list. This is our linked list. Set will contain 1, 3, 2. Second occurrence will return it. Quite simple. Time complexity. What would be time complexity? We are iterating whole length. So O of n. Space complexity. We are storing all elements. So O of n again. What is the brute force? Brute force is done, man. Optimal. Optimal. We know fast and slow pointers are used for checking cycle. If you don't, please go revise my finding cycling linked list question. So I would also like to put it on description. Let's see what happens. But after 2 months, I would able to shareable links because we require 2 months to be certified as content creator. Fast and slow for optimal. We will use this again. Why so? Let's do a dry run. Slow and fast out here. 1, 3, 2. Slow will be here. Fast will come here. What next? 1, 3, 2. Slow will be here. Next dot slow will come here. Yes. Fast. Next dot next. Again over here. So now we will end the loop. So what will our loop condition will be? While fast not equals to null and fast dot next not equals to null. Sorry, fast dot next not equal to null and fast dot next not equal to null. Fast dot next. Okay. What else? This was time complexity of O of n. Uh, Few iterations might happen more to allow slow and fast to meet at specific point, but not a big case. And time complexity is done. Space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using any auxiliary space to store any value or for looping or means for support functionality, or we are not using call stacks for recursion. So explanation was quite simple. Let's jump into implementation. Hmm, should I do the brute force? There's nothing bad in doing brute force. Hmm, what we will do is create a hash map. What will it store? Not hash map, sorry, set. What will it store? It will store a node. What we will call it? Set. What we will do? We will initialize it. Initialization done. What next? While we will have to call a node pointing to head variable, reference variable, temp not equal to null. What we will do? If set dot contains temp, return temp dot date, else temp equals to temp dot next. Return what? If the loop has come out, it means there's no presence of cycle. Was this the case, or I'm missing some? Time limit exceeded. Why you are keeping the door open and coming, man? Our program took more time than expected. While temp not is set. Oh shit. Temp is equals to temp dot next, and what next? Set dot put temp. Oh my god, semicolon is missing. Cannot find. uh what do we call, what is the function to add something in a set? Set dot add, okay. It will accept it, I know for sure. Out of 160, all 160 will get completed. Oh, now we will use the fast and slow pointer. Node fast equals to head, node slow equals to head, while fast dot next not equals to null, and fast dot next not equals to null. What we will check? mm, if fast equals to slow, return fast dot date. We will do this check after updating fast variable. Why, you might ask? Because at the first case, slow and faster pointing ahead, so this would be true, and we will jump out of the loop without checking. Fast is done. Now we will do slow dot next. Else what? If loop gets completed, it means there is no cycle. So return -1 completed. I mean, I'm confident कि 4 powers output is 5. If slow equals to fast, while slow not equal to, okay. Before checking for loop, slow equals to fast. We did. Now we have to check while slow not equals to entry, slow equals to slow dot. Okay. We will also have to keep another reference variable at head. Why? Because there is a strong possibility that before checking means before reaching uh, at the entry point, the pointers collide to each other. So to prevent that, we will do this while entry slow not equals to null or entry. What we will do entry equals to entry dot next, slow equals to slow dot next. Now we know that slow is at the intended position. Let's see. Hmm. Is the problem. I mean, why does Geek for Geeks doesn't have a shortcut for running? Sorry. Let's submit it and take a W at our side. I mean, let me switch on the camera and add this edge case onto our notes. Oh my god, I didn't switch my screen. I completed the whole code again. This is my second time this has happened with me. So guys, this is the code for fast and slow pointer, and this is also for fast and slow pointer. This is for hash set based question. We'll use hashtag iterate it completely and check if set contains or not. Today, what's happening, Brian? Okay, let's see tomorrow.